Welcome to Koma Kids TV. Let's have some fun.
Hello, fellow aviators. Koma the Koala here. Today, we are flying high into the sky to explore the magical weather. Let's take off. Whee!
Up, up, and away we go! Look at the beautiful sky!
Look over there. It's the bright yellow sun. Can you say sun? Beautiful! And floating right next to us is a soft, fluffy white cloud. The sunny sky is so warm and bright. Let's fly into the next cloud.
Oh! It's starting to pour! Look at the sparkling rain! Can you say rain?
Whoosh! Feel the strong wind blowing our plane. Splish, splash! Rain and wind are so exciting! Where are we flying next? Brrr! Look down at the mountains! It is freezing! Look at the white snow falling! Look at that beautiful, shiny ice crystal! So pretty! Stay warm, Koma! Let's fly toward that colorful light ahead. Wow! Look! A magnificent, colorful rainbow across the sky. Can you say rainbow? The entire beautiful sky is clear and bright again. Flying on a rainbow is the absolute best. Yay! You did a fantastic job on our weather flight today. Now you know so many weather words. Click subscribe for more high-flying adventures with Koma the Koala. See you next time. Bye-bye.